Hello cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ka ba Sandy Home Recipe. Tinde di kan a wo hwe video a mema rave subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like, na wa mia notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa wosabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we just a banana ice cream. All ingredients are written in the description box below. When you know banana, na they go blend them. What is sweet condensed milk aka ho? Milk aka ho. What the vanilla and so aka ho? A drop of food color yellow by optional umpa umfa nka ho. We are not blending it now together. What blend there we no wa share go ice cream cup man na say disposable cup. What the ice cream stick ahihye ebia mu. We under koshe freezer for 4 hours and turn ya to aso. After 4 hours no way no what serve. Banana ice cream ya ice cream be a de pa. You will love it if you give it a try. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Now, this is our banana ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.